In this video, I will walk you through on how to set auto reply on your Instagram account so that once somebody sends message to you, that auto reply will be dropped in the chat, okay, for him to read and know what to do. Let's just get right into it. First is to get to your Instagram app and tap on it. Once your Instagram opens, tap on the human icon at the bottom right. So once you're here, ensure that this professional dashboard is showing. If your Instagram account is still a personal Instagram account, you need to convert it to a professional account, which is good for businesses and content creators. You can make a little research to find out how to do that. Okay? So once you convert it to professional account, then let's get to the next steps. The next step is to open your App Store or Play Store. So here, I'm going to open the App Store because I make use of iPhone. Once the App Store opens, tap into the search, alright, and search for Meta Business Suite. After typing the name, tap on search icon, and this will show up. If you don't have it already, it will tell you to install, okay? Or you tap on the get button, okay, for it to start installing, which after that you tap on open. Once you tap on open, it will dictate your Instagram profile as well as Facebook, because these two platforms are managed by the same company, which is Meta. All right, but if you have a different profile you want to use for that Instagram, select use another profile. Okay, but in this case, let's assume that is the same profile. So I'll tap on open. And here, my Facebook and my Instagram profile are linked to this business suite. Okay, yes, my Facebook account and my Instagram. So the next step you need to take is to tap on the more button. Okay, then select settings. On this settings page, scroll down. Once you get to the automation section, tap on that automation. Now you can see greet people section, and we have Insta reply and away message. Tap on Insta reply. Then you can see platforms here, Messenger and Instagram. Alright, our interest here is on Messenger, so toggle on, tap on that button for it to be made active. Alright, so you get to this section of message. You can see thanks for chatting us, please drop your message. What you will see there may be different, so tap on that pen like icon and edit it. So once you are done customizing your message, you want it to appear once somebody chats you, alright, on your Instagram. Tap on the save button, which is at the top right, and you need to tap on save again.